And hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing good. So today in this vlog, what am I going to discuss about is these three precious pills, Rinchin Rilbus. Actually, there are 8 type of Rinchin Rilbus, but I'm going to discuss about only 3 of them because these 3 are very effective against the COVID-19 symptoms and many other diseases that I'm going to give a detail in my vlog. We all are facing the global pandemic. We never thought we will be staying in a self isolation and lockdown, but we are. And we are going to fight against this COVID 19. How? We have to prevent ourselves, what we can just do. So, I'm going to just share my personal experience and some of my gathered information about these precious pills from the Mensikang website, that is TMAI, Mensikang, Tibetan Medical and Astrological Institute. There are 58 branches of Mensikang. You can visit any of the branch. There are expertise of doctors or physicians. I highly recommend you to take these pills under the supervision of the physician because they will be just guiding you more better. Okay, so what am I going to discuss about is how we have to take these medicines, precious pills, and how they are going to be effective. And there are some of the myths, like whether they will be just curing the COVID-19 symptoms or not. Yeah, they are very effective against the COVID-19 symptoms. They are preventing as well as curing. I am taking, all family members are taking. They are enriched with the spiritual blessing, and we really have faith in it, and it really works out. So I'm gonna give a brief description about the first precious pills, that is Rinchen Rangjor Chempo. It is a black pill made up of cold compound. It goes through a series of detoxification process. It is made with a calcifying powder of many metals and stones. Metals like silver, gold, iron, copper, and many stones like turquoise, coral, pearl, sapphire, emerald, as well as the herbal and non-herbal ingredients like nutmeg, saffron, and pokeberry, Indian pokeberry, etc. It is based on the Tibetan medicines, and it is called the king of the Rinchen Rilbu, that is Rangjor Chenbo, and enriched with the spiritual blessing. So let's talk about the indications. We are taking these precious pills for fighting against the stomach and intestinal disorders, like some of chronic gastrointestinal disorders are there, and some of the excess blood formation in liver, many other diseases like malignant cancer, arthritis, intestinal disorder, vomiting, like bloody stool, and water retention, weak circulation to the heart. It really strengthens the bones and nerves and brings a good complexions too. Leprosy and many other heart disorders, etc. So let's just discuss about the second precious pill, that is Rinchen Rangjor Chenmo. This comes in a light pink color and it is made with the 50 ingredients, and that includes the sothil, the king of essence. It contains a multiple compound, and it is made through a series of detoxification process, and it contains the calcifying powder of stones like pearl, turquoise, coral, and many herbal ingredients like cloves, cardamom, and nutmeg, and it is completely based on the Tibetan medicines and enriched with the spiritual blessings. The most important thing about this Rangjor is it is a moonlight iron compound, that makes it very specific about the precious pill. Let's talk about the indications of the Rangjor Rinchen Chenmo, that is the precious pill. The precious pill is very effective against the stomach and intestinal disorders, and many related to the indigestion happens after eating the spicy food and from the imbalanced food consumption, and it is very effective against fighting the cold and cough with production of rancid sputum or blood. Most of the symptoms are very much related with the COVID-19 symptoms like coughing, fever, hidden fever, chronic fever, contagious fever, coughing and diarrhea, vomiting, loss of appetite, and imbalanced state of loss of taste. It is exceptionally beneficial for all kind of food poisoning and bacterial fighting against the bacterial infection. The all credit goes to its compound, that is very warm and cold compound, as it is a multi-compound compound. So now coming back to the third precious pill, that is Ratna Sampil, that comes in a blue color. So this precious pill is a wish flooring pill. It is made up of 70 ingredients, including the sothil, that is the king of essence. It is a highly standard compound. It is prepared from the calcifying powder of many stones like pearl, coral, turquoise, as well as herbal and non-herbal ingredients like 6 myrobalan fruits and bonnet bellflower, saffron. It is a highly standard compound and it is enriched with the spiritual blessing. The Ratna Sampal precious pill is used against the high blood pressure, fainting due to stroke, heart attack, and many other heart disorders, and facial palsy, incontinence of urine passing, if we are unable to move our limbs or joints, water retention, irregular circulation of blood in the brain concoction, leprosy. These are some of the indications we use it for. Other than that, there are many other uses too. So now let's discuss about the instructions how to take these pills. So it is similar for all of the 8 rilbus. So I'm gonna describe in a one time. Okay, most of the people don't know exactly, they are just taking it in a simple way, but it should not be like that. For more effective effects, we have to follow these instructions. So a night before taking these pills, we have to take a 7-grain yerma, decoction of 7-grain yerma, that is prickly ash, so that it will open up our channels, body channels, so that it will just retain and will give a effective effect. The next day, soak the pill in a small amount of hot water. Soak the pill in a hot water and cover it with the lid. And next early morning, before the day breaks, just stir with a spoon and drink the whole mixture by adding little hot water. Then you have to sleep for around 1 to 2 hours, so that it will just induce the perspiration. And following that, take a little amount of hot water with saffron to close all the body channels, so that the medicinal effect will be retained. If a healthy person is taking this medicine to rejuvenate or to prevent from the above diseases, you can have it on an auspicious days like new moon or full moon. What all cautions you have to take care of to get a good results? For a period of 3 to 7 days after taking the precious pills, you have to avoid all the non-vegetarian food, all the strenuous physical activities, and egg, alcohol consumptions, and sex. That's all for today. I really enjoyed sharing my information with you guys. If I have provided any wrong information, I'm really sorry, and please write me down so that I can improve and correct it. So I'll see you in next vlog. Till then, bye bye, take care, stay safe. Thank you for watching.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading